Hello and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we will be guiding you to the process to open an HSBC bank account as an international student in the UK. Whether you're arriving soon or you are already here, in this video we'll guide you to make the process super easy. So let's just dive right in. So first of all, let's make sure that you meet the basic requirements. You need to be 18 and older, and you will need to have a proof of identity. So if you're a student, you need to have a passport or any other kind of valid identity that will prove that is you, and also be a full-time student in UK. You will also need a proof of address for your bank account, and that's it. And apart from that, you need other kind of proof, and for students especially, you need to have a proof of enrollment. So just go ahead and do so. After you do so, what you can do is you can open up this section right here for international bank account for HSBC, and you can accept these cookies on their website. Once you are here, you will be finding different options. So if you want to apply for international banking, you just need to go over and select the option for international banking and open up your bank account. So there are certain kind of ways you can open up a bank account, and these are some of the things you will need. So you can select these, and apart from that, you can go over and let me just show you. In order to open up a bank account, you can just go and go for the Apply Now section, go to Banking. Let's say Student Account, let's say this one right here. And from there, you can apply it up. So select this option for Apply, and apply it up, and applying up for sole account. And there you will be finding these options available. You can account for that. Or simply, let's say in order to open up account, you can go over here. And from there, go over and wait for the application page to be available on your screen where you can apply for it. So click on Apply Now. And once you click on Apply Now, here, go ahead and provide this information. Click on Confirm and Start, and provide in your email address in this section. So go ahead and provide in your email address first and your title. Once you do so, you can just go ahead and scroll down, select up, have you had any of a previous name or any. You can just go ahead and fill out the form. Make sure you meet every requirement. You can apply it all on your marital status and everything, your number of dependent children, etc. After that, your code here. And once you confirm it up, you will be getting access to your debit card or mobile banking, no monthly fees, even some student perks and discounts. And that's it. After submitting your application, HSBC usually processes it within 1 to 2 weeks. Once you are approved, you will be receiving a confirmation and your account will be ready to use. And that's it. That is how you open an HSBC account as an international student. Really simple. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.